The roads from Asaleboche Highways Junction to Lakeside Estate is so bad that saloon cars find it difficult to move.
Ebusian for hi GhanaNsem TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for I had the Greater Accra Regional Organizer of the NDC, and then Okasembi war ecosystem Asempa FM OB show no so. Nah, that has gotten a lot of citizens to be talking. Anything. Also OB show no so no. Some people sending a text message. Citizens, their views. And a nipa baku ko testi say obi nka kire Adenta MP no aye izi Adamu Ramadan. Onka kire say omu kwan no the road as a potholes bi abasu and some things enti aban emfa ne ninko hwe o ema omu. Enti obi kan ade no wie no na sa NDC Greater Accra Regional Organizer AFR Nukpenu afe na osati say okasa adenya osi citizens nankasa okay should mobilize themselves and go and fix the road. Citizens know they should mobilize themselves and go and fix the road. And I'll be say, asame no kasa no. Citizens no. And for omo bottom sika. Eko fixi kwanya ese aban ye. O say ane. Na sa area no. Go for more ho no. Omo ye rich people. And I'll be say na say go for no ye rich people kra na. Want to make us asem. Esa say omo nyina tia taxes. Na sa taxes no so nyetua ma aban. Na yetua taxes ma aban a untimi gi taxes na ewie. As na be ka kire say yen fa ye bottom sika. Ebusianfo enfa ye akwan no. Papa no say there be on ti ase. Na citizens no a omo Adenta no so omo kwan say a omo fa omo bottom sika esa say uko ho assembly no omo income no sankrofo no omo pay tax tia. Now be say okay. Now say ukasa de still enye right but mo de ba omia ni ne boss Akufuado drip equipment a motor to ho no eye for these purposes enti enye hwekra na mo fa drip equipment no fa ye ekwan no ma omo or see there be dan drip equipment no enye full na mbeto etum etu egum omo ko fast can no wan fa ebusafo we obi a wo doma ma ban mu obi a wo doma ma ban mu Oya NDC regional organizer. Or say even for the drip equipment no, full all be using no, say citizens no number tiaka. Hey, obi kenyi now say debi. Ebusianfo. Ye ka arrogance of power. Say power be the drink of 4 trim. To the extent say because they have managed to deceive Ghanaians and Ghanaians bought into their propaganda and their lies. And Ghanaians have given them the nod through the ballot box. And they are in power. Now they are driving in V8s, driving in Prados, driving in Range Rovers, driving in Rocks. One name Rocks, one of the latest cars. Now, and these people are driving in it. I'm not lying to you, I'm serious. And this is they are driving in Chinese hybrid cars. Our FN Ross. Charlie, last time because share car in the interior, no. And yeah, easy. That is what Felix Fosukwachi is driving in now. Can anybody ding? So because now we are paying their salaries, we are giving them money, we are giving them entertainment allowance, giving them wardrobe allowance and co. No? Now they have come on top and they are telling us we should use our own pocket money to fix our roads. When we say that elections have consequences, when we're telling Ghanaians that look, if you want to go and vote, please do not listen to the propaganda of NDC. Can I force it there be quen. Anybody you talk to, don't vote for NDC or say quen Mahama don't quen like that. So after voting for the quen, now we are all paying for it. They say what? We should use our monies to build to construct your road. The video is up next. Let me use this opportunity to thank all the people who are donating to this channel. If you are yet to donate, kindly pick the number on your screen and donate so that we can use it to buy data, buy equipment and stuff to keep giving you good content. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.
And it creates huge traffic. Obi, we have tried calling the NP Abu Ramadan's office, but we've not been successful. Obi, we are dying on the highways to Lakeside Road. Please help us. Hashtag fix Boche roads. Hey, na Abu Ramadan ono de kwa Adamu. Yeah, Adamu Ramadan. No, yeah, MP no. Or can MP no. Na MP we so yeah, adwuma de.
Then only.
Now Muka Rose as I do their own thing.
Almost some contribution.
But no money taxes.
They should go and they can amend it.
Oh, please. Do you know
I am telling you seriously, when you live in a community that there is a problem, the community can come together, fix something for government coming. We should stop complaining. We are not helping ourselves. Talking about here.
Now the no. And the big is na. Me name the party.
The road was constructed. It has have defects. Currently, if there's no budget,
yes,
you can't force it to be there.
Yes. The
community should come together. They should come together and do something to put it in a motorable way. Once the government plans to come in, people should stop complaining in this country.
Hey, Antonio
Obi. Complain masters.
Amanfo etua toa omo kwan
omo tua to omo kono tua to obi wo ho na murem na ku koni fi onu de on tua to. Our focus is on roles of economic importance.
But the lakeside area is a big deal. That area
is the Adenta Assembly now a revenue
from that place.
Progress. Omo no tua revenue po.
Hey. Anyways, no, you
see, the reality is that not that it will not be done.
Yes.
But currently, if there's no budget, if there's no funds, you can't go to the site because to even go and grade and regravel,
but I think you should rather call on the assembly, say, even if I buying any
I will call on the assembly when there is commitment of citizens.
No, what I'm saying.
Because all the time, your customer citizens,
what I'm saying is, what the citizen does, say on three and the taxes are, you deal with him, but so three and the tax, then respectfully they are okay in there because and not drip machines no. Drip machines is to make the roads more travel.
And your fuel never talk.
Na fuel assembly into fuel.
Fast can him.
And I'm say obetsna aka and I say Abanya Babe announced say this time assembly in Kenya 25 million or say
that money so list of allocation.
Absolutely.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Who drip fuel.
Oh, come off it.
That is IGF. Yeah, assigning Sikano to the various sectors that they should expend it.
Yes.
To make
the
electoral area or the municipal area very conducive.
Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Assemblies have rules department, but their budget doesn't come to the assembly. It comes from the rules ministry.
Sure.
Are you getting me? But they do interventions.
Yes.
Are you getting me? They do interventions. And as and when an MP also have a fund going to his or her allocation, he also intervene by maybe providing some gravels and other these things.
Sure.
Nipa no here complain. The chairman say they've written to the assembly say say ni pe ani here any but yetimi boy ho akodu say no be so yase.
And once I'm
they have to. Who is suffering? When they break. Who are there to? One.
And you be na to no. Omo kwan na say. Omo say kwan na mo trouble.
Omo kwan na mo trouble. Nya adi na ato omo. Nya adi na ato omo. Complain me for solution in ba. Coming together will bring you a solution. Once government moves in.
Coming together to do what? In a common rent grade and image kwan so
can grade I rent ya kwan so ye important sir. I'm not against them, but you see, sometimes se nyama no to ya yesu yen kan ho bom
Enuti na bola mini okuma because obia adwin say e say aban na esisa bola. How? Akoto duane abedi aye we wa creative bola o say aban na esisa.
Waya de waboa actiso ama yemfa say conserve national pet ne kakra. Just ubiom say omo misuse Ghana sika no. And so oguso our prosecution. And also be serve ama ministers sisi a omo hono so ehun say se catch us be here oman adwuma enye se be we a oman.
Right, into 10 months you overhand Oberman is saying.
Oh, 10 months, yeah. Let me a man 70 out of 100.
70 over 100, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Insura 104.5. Yeah, opinion polls assessing John Dramani Mahama 10 months into his government. Good morning.
Good morning, though.
What do you want to say? All right, meet you. 10 months, John Dramani Mahama. Obe can say now if you do maths and so on. Oya de sesen de na digina so nso oya de
so there all is no a call from a time back no time group send the ya akopom
so wetimi manage dollar no
sanity.
All right, overhand Oberman is saying
mama no
90%. All right, you say that's Insura 104.5. Hello, good morning. Hello. Yes, sir. Good morning. One can say.
I don't know.
Where there, Juma?
I'm a farmer.
Farmer, okay. President John Dramani Mahama, 10 months now for the Max Amano.
10 months, the Mamano, 70%.
70% a day.
So, and then my price is not above from so up to that cocoa price will be that.
Okay, into cocoa price and in your mind above from you. That's it. All right, so man 70 over 100. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. One can say.
But coming up here could be over.
All right, 10 months of John Dramani Mahama meet you now in the Max Amano. 30 seconds.
May 65%. Oba why are there Oman fuel prices conform dollar rate. But then I say it's mean to spare parts boarding.
Okay.
May mechanic. May the car conform the car but no to spare parts. Still a boarding. Spare parts boarding.
Spare parts boarding. Okay. All right. Next Oberman 65. All right. Yeah, that's a hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Matuane can say.
But we can you.
Oh, is it can meet you, Yankwe? Right, John Dramani Mahama. In fact, remember 10 seconds because time no. Your person could phone be bring fast.
Matipacho, remember no 6 over 10.
Oberman 60%.
Why are there?
Okay.
Why are there? MPP, but why are there?
Oh, MPP. Okay.
But why are there?
Why are there? Now, original so who's why are there?
The form. A year my assistant driver phone. A year my. Why are there?
Okay, petrol. What me about petrol?
Before. That's what about. I like to be so who, Mr. This like to be new.
Okay, Mate. Trotro baby, ma'am. Sometimes around. It has Insura 104.5. Yes, I say John Dramani Mahama, president. 10 months.
Hello.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. One can say.
But your friend I would like to make a change.
All right, me too.
Mama, why are there? I'm the marking 85%.
85%.
Me and this in the side, money, and you might be bringing up from a 3 more and more near the brain and into the iron rods, Ura makes inside the iron rods, cement, and near the brain. Why are there? 85 man.
Okay, you say that's insurance. We missing 85 over 100. Yes. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Opening Cassie.
Yes, I want to say.
If I say from a Kwame Apana Cassis and Chilokoi.
Right, me too. John Dramani Mahama.
If I saw my man of 70%.
70%. Okay.
My man of 17 is a Trade Ministry, Transport, and I see Finance Ministry, or mobile Jumapa, and I see board the name was for not mobile. almost so yet, my name, my dear, how many say. As I'm never quite had on the Galamsey, and I perform baby and part of me, Philippa, for the with the Miricapa, and you won't come once and I'm with the now on her doing your home.
All right, and said that's insurance 104.5. Hi, good morning.
Nalamaje.
There be we see a caller. Hello. You meet you, John Dramani Mahama, 10 months.
You 10 months. Yeah, they were managing no man. What it no man a be so my, but I can't humanity. I don't see me 50%.
Oberman say
50.
60.
Yeah.
All right, here that's Michael Soma 60/100. John Dramani Mahama. You hear best striker average. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Adenta.
Me we emba Johanne ka say.
Abdurrahman.
Right, meet you, John Dramani Mahama.
The woman is 75.
Okay, dintia.
Ama no ma no bo no enkosoro soro. Wasati no ma bo so.
Okay, inflation. All right, yeah, that's it. But I meet you. Okay, yeah, to us. Hi, good morning.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
About you on the points on justice.
Right to meet you.
That's a free Senate mass.
All right.
I say Bosnia on Kwaji this year. And when I am more success, almost Kwaji Bosnia be na Bibi say when almost me ya almost me to have a sense. And on Kwani I am the Bonabas.
Into the man is saying.
Me man is
65, okay. And so by one chair and JJ Busian still low boy Juma. All right, so that's Insha 104.5. 10 months of John Dramani Mahama. Yeah, says no be can say Busumi Eduni, President John Dramani Mahama, the second John, JM2. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
How's your friend? Edmond.
Edmond with you.
My boy Mahama. When you obey, Nanson, you man.
What's that?
Mr. Kemp.
What man say?
80%.
80%, okay. Yeah, that's it. Mati, Edmond, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
And now could you jantwa? I'm going to shout pa you dear.
Right, Yanko John Dramani Mahama.
Because me a trotro driver.
Okay.
I'm here, Mamma. I see any mark from Gakra. Honestly speaking, coming I am man 80. But because of GhanaNsem, my man no 65.
Okay, GhanaNsem into man 65. All right, yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you. Hi, good morning. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah.
What is it?
Me here.
But your mama come man 100%. Hello?
Yes.
Come man 100%.
You're frozen.
You're from Alasa Mumuni.
Alasa Mumuni. I'm 100%. Okay, today na 100%. What man is saying?
Me kuyani e wa ba koko watum eno ma so wate so.
Into be man is saying.
Come man 100%. Why are there?
Into be man is saying.
And me say man 100%.
Next over man 100 now. I say anka man. It means to say ebi na bibi.
Me man 100%.
All right.
Why are there?
Okay. All right. So that's a 100/100 because what kuku no wetimi manage. Anyway, good morning.
I'm on Baba.
Yes, sir.
But you can say that you look
You're right. Me too.
But the kuku or two ne no. Man 90%.
What man say?
90%.
Why ne ka say?
Fidelity.
Oku
Fidelity.
There be Abdul Hamid. You need him frame. I owe a serial caller. You need frame on count. But your men friends is Saudi. Don't be smart. My men can we? Yeah. Adi be say ya. Mr. Oye serial caller. Don't be smart. Adena a serious thing. A research near ye. Research and you can say bias. And to say ye be say near catch yourself. We NDC serial caller, MPB serial caller. Men fret. Yes, Rema. Muntie. Simple instruction. Don't call. You don't call. Don't change your name.
Koso yes umwa ubia. We want fair people to do this. Into a serial caller, Memfre, Mr. Mo. All right. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's a person one uni.
Me too.
Mo, young, the member is Zelo. Because Obano, was in Galano, Oba, Obitua, Siempre, and Nekura, IFS, and the Manizelo.
Also, I had a frozen.
Such a people who one uni.
One uni, okay.
And the cocoa to work out the Beko 60. Oba, yes, and also Yahoo sister, no. Galanse so, or so Bitua here. And Nekura, IFS, the member is Zelo, but they're not back.
Hello? Yeah, such a person. On my net, I'm 40. The German said, Germany, Mama President Obama, when I hear it is Obama, Debra, all boy, all Castle Obesian, when you move to the cottage cry. As the Chinese say, GhanaNsem also be good that GhanaNsem.
Into Oberman is saying,
1%.
1%, yate. Yeah, that's it.
Good.
Insha 104.5. Hi, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bacho, metomade.
Okay, me too.
Tese, o mai mo adipan for tese, yede o mondriam. Ansana akufar breakfast machine bo. Tede tena ebesin still na if 3,500 is here, o motono 4,500. Ade.
Into Oberman is saying.
The man 40 over 100.
40 over 100. All right. That's it. All right. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Kobe, yes.
Me too.
No, me man 100 ni so o shina se ni ni go ke separa unti minchi ko fubi mo wetika engumma yeno ama hono ana me man 90. Apart from that in there problem bi no ma obuma ni pa aban bi abana ka first time so yesi ya ka Ghana for it don't na de bi afi kurum as kurumata di komani obi amen.
All right, into Oberman is saying
and my man
90 over 100. All right, Mati. Yeah, that's it. I think go see the Kobe for Yasi. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Nana kwajo gatwa. Kwajo.
But you free so me ana me nipa obana. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Nana.
Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Mepacho, Mr. Atmako for dia.
Right, meet you. We a trader, meet you.
Nana, Mama waya dia. Mama boy back. But I did back when Hamini said, finance minister now one chain and Hammond.
I can't
the money percentage grant, my money 65.
Oberman say 55.
65.
65 because Onyanchi can for Riata.
I want you to Mama come and tell me your name.
Mate, Midasi.
Yes, good day.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
Nana.
Yes, sir. Yes, madam.
Miss Gameli,
me too.
Mama Yadi, Nipa Yadi or Sayi, GhanaNsem, Capra, Kwana, Kameman handed by GhanaNsem. Ogusoko, Kameman 95%.
95.
Nipa Yadi or Sayi.
Mati, Yedasi. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Ana Janko.
Yes, sir.
Jumaba.
But you
from me, Donkey.
All right, meet you.
Man, I have 99%, but in the ministry, the volunteer, maybe my captain will be about 85. Because of GhanaNsem and Yaman. Or what's my dear?
What's Oberman saying?
I think GhanaNsem.
What's Oberman saying?
That was 85.
85, okay. Yeah, that's it. All right, okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Nana?
Yes.
Hello.
Mami, Suma, me, Frozen.
But from you, because I'm from the
Right to meet you.
Oh, Nana, you know, you're personal, you're the radio dance.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
I mean, pick down Cosro.
Matisa.
My mother 75.
75. Okay, are they?
One keep you for your watching the 100%
Aren't you for your ate? That's it. All right. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Mama, the man,
you're frozen. You're frozen.
The first one to pray.
Okay, free.
All
right. Also, the man is saying.
The man is 30.
30 over 100, are they?
Aye. Because guarantee me, I condemn for your man and put your price in the
meant to say, Galamsey no condemn for say.
Yeah, I have to condemn me. The price in the Napaco.
More to condemn, more price in Yinafaco.
Aye.
No, then him Mahamasem.
Telling me, I can't government anymore. Or Yaman to see you. Am I a price in you?
And I Galamsey's way.
I got to say, you also the good of still line.
Oh, okay, it's not man 30, no, Mate. That's it. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
BBC Kakra.
Mate.
The Pacho, your Muhammad, the Oba, the member 50%.
Man said 50%.
50.
60. 50. Okay, me too.
The guy Galamsey now on the Subi to us, you know. Amagana, you me and say near the other day, any Eba, or man, so far. Dear Tossum, you know. And then Miss Remoa, who paid me a short original minister number. Freneka ten say, and go fuck of fun and cheese. If we sleep up a kruma, or money number one saying, SM Commodity Guamubuno, who be do a portrait about them and cheese in a home. Who be do a squat and cheese in a home. Baby, then she go for car or Mona Kunipano. I did test Wakoton and Chia, none and Chia number one saying. For the Jenny 2 women talk, Abuboyana, Coach, and the Blene. And the Jenny Galam said it to many Ablepa, and I. Obasa Cotes and Colebi free, I say, Kurobiso, and Nidea Bakum, almost says, traffic light, I say. If you are Bakum, if you are dancing, if you are go through traffic light. The cell radar minister, I think, on was some more than call. Perhaps one of the first calling now for Munko Mukrum. And Mama do Mahama 15, because I have so far.
All right, here, that's it. Insurance 104.5. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
All right.
But you're from Vicky.
Okay.
Mr. Empowerment.
All right, me too.
But your money is 60.
My money 50, are they?
60.
60, are they?
But your I heard the prices of the new Canadian road, the cost money and a bit to it and sending in a kufu.
Oh, okay. I'll say then a coffin. Or say cement in a petroni and human coffin. All right. Hi, morning. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Morning.
Let's say,
yeah.
You got your mama. That man is 25%.
A day.
As I say, Galamsey, Wafili. Trotro, double, and almost get double money, Wafili. And I think I can't remember a basso. As I say, a more near the Anika crab form. At the end, to be Nibo Costro, a die high, Nibo Costro.
And you also Oberman say,
25%.
Udini, a friend say?
Maxwell,
okay, Mate. Maxwell, Bema 20 because a more dear call from but the other Canadian answer Costro. Hi, good morning. Hello?
Good morning, Anna.
Yes.
Hello? I'm from Collins because the free tech.
Okay.
But I'm not on the man, Mahama, 70%.
70, are they?
A month will be due my Nitika now, by no say, now 4 years, not a house. No one chew be the Basa, better Banetiano, or better man, money we are on Chom, because we are mobile for and finance among Coquam in 3 months. Near the Natum, will be at your mind, I say no mobile for Chevrolet, and I never had, you know. The monk can tell no so better man, on Chom, near one toy.
All right. Yes, that's it. 03220-835-81-835-82-835-83. Good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Yes, sir.
I'm back. My man is 75%. Your friend is
phobia.
I'm back.
My man is 75%. Are they?
Back. My man is 75%. My man is 100, but I'm confirmed. I know more. You did say or say or matter or mine and or mobile. I want to be young fan for now. Mugo so mumaso or mugo so moye did no. And this my man is 75 plus. I'm saying so. And one to me on Google. I'm saying my man is 75.
Okay, yes, that's it. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
That's a favorite bar for Three Edumakase.
Right.
Mahama by the wire de bar, the Memano 75, the Pama de also. Memano 75.
Okay, Mati.
Nana?
Yes.
Mwasamba could be a person can be Catero.
Enyene.
Sir.
Enyene.